Titus Yumobodo, the CEO Diamond Movies International Limited. The inspiration of making this movie came from trying to tell people the height of damages that anger can cause in religious matter and tribalism. What actually led to the war and fight between the Fulanis or Zingani Kingdom and that of the Igbo is just because of the tribalism and anger. There is this saying that says that you can achieve everything in dialogue. All over the world, in our societies, countries fight against countries because of anger in different ways in our society. Let us all learn how to control our anger and make peace and learn to resolve things amicably without thinking of he's my brother, he's my own, he's our own. We are one in God. I think this is all I have to say for now. Thank you, and you'll be looking up to see this movie, this special movie, which have portrayed the height and the extent of hatred and anger, titled named The Brutality.
Don't touch, no, go touch, no need to touch you.
I just want test time so that in case he touch me, you get hurt most by a punch you did not see.
No go touch you.
Make I begin to expect that.
My name is Mr. Good News Eriko. By the grace of God, I am the director of this movie. Brutality. Brutality is one story that has been with us for years. The story was written like 4 or 5 years ago. One thing that really moved me into directing this movie, accepting this particular project, is the fact that this is supposed to be an action film, but we picked people that they've known to be a comedian, like Chief Imo and Okon, to do an action film. That is one of the biggest challenges. And by the grace of God, Chief Imo and Okon have been giving us to this point. They've not really failed us. They've proven to us that they can do different things apart from
the other fighters now. The other fighters
brutality.
Yo, hi viewers, my name is Smith Nebe. We're on the set of The Brutality. It's a movie produced by Diamond Movie International. It hasn't been easy. I mean, thinking of the locations where we've been to, I actually never thought there's a place like this in the Southeast. Like, it's massive, it's virgin location, and the challenges is quite crazy, man. I swear, it's crazy. Sometimes we come to set and you would have to park your car and trek like 30 minutes to get to where you're set.
This is Chief Imo. We are on the set of Brutality, the movie. First of all, I want to thank God for the wonderful opportunity He gave to me and to the EP, that's the executive producer of this very wonderful movie, Diamond Movie Production. I thank God for him, and I thank him for believing in me. Sometimes when you look down on people, you never can tell what they can offer until you give them a try. Whatever you see me do, it's inborn. I did not go to school to read how to act. The first day I got a call about the job, I was like, wow. I said, what is the story like? And he explained. I picked interest because it's something different. For some days now, we've been walking inside the bush. You can see the kind of environment where we are. We travel miles away from the town to go and make this movie a good one. What I want is to impact more in the life of my viewers and my fans, which is you. So today, I play the role of Kazim. Kazim is a wicked other Fulani people, that lives inside the bush. You see how they be killing people, butchering people and all the rest of them. But it is only acting, please. So nobody should get it twisted. We are passing a message. Then if the message doesn't suit you, you may not write. Watch it. You can't only pass or you give you pass. But if you are the way you only encourage us. We are one Nigeria. We are trying to make things better. So thank you for watching. And na rantse da Allah in ban ji muku kaniya ba Allah ya tsine ni